What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We are back in the baby Lambo, and we've got no more exhaust leaks, man. I'm pumped. That little pinhole in one of the welds on the mid pipe was in fact my lingering exhaust leak that I've been hunting for like a year. I don't know. And man, I'm pumped. So once this thing gets up to temperature, we're gonna go and have a little bit of fun, get a little rowdy, and we'll see you back here shortly. Man, this thing sounds so good now that I got that exhaust leak plugged up. Wearing some new shoes today, so don't mind my shitty clutch.